Hi. Hi to everyone. Here I am now in my car. This is very cold outside. Very strange that the March in Tbilisi is so cold, so windy and freezing cold. I want to make a little log about last weekend, last 2 days. It was very difficult days for me, very busy days, because I was working on my trunk and I finally changed my trunk lid, swapped that E55 trunk on my E430. Fitment is superb, you know. These are same chassis, but it was very difficult to adjust the trunk properly, and let's to be right and sure, you cannot adjust the trunk absolutely perfect. Only the factory can do it. If you once one time you will remove your trunk hood or doors, this is impossible to adjust it as it was from the factory. You can adjust it good, about 80 or 17% from 100%, but it could not be done absolutely perfect. So I adjust my trunk as I could. I have done my best. Lately I will show the final result to you and show how you can adjust it. Now I want to talk to you about some new items I have got for my future works on my car, and let's see what is this is. So guys, here you can see that I finally have received my flashlight, which is very important to work on the car, and I have got today this item. Let's put it here. You have to scratch the surface, and here it is, the original Mercedes sealant, which you must use when you are working on your car and when you are going to seal any surfaces. I am not the type of the guy which will go to the shop and pick most expensive sealant or silicone and will do this job with that material. Sorry guys, but for me this man is very important, and when I work on this guy, I every time want to put the best items on it. So I gave $25 for this little tube silicone. Here you can see the part number, but now I am sure that when I will use this and reseal my oil breather covers, which are little additions on the manual covers, the leaking will be stopped. Not much leak in these days on my car, very little, but I want to receive the perfect result as I could. I do my best, and that's why I bought this. I could not find this on Germany, and that's why I ordered it on Amazon.com. The sealant is made in Ireland, but you can see it, and everything is said by it. This is the tube. Also it came with this pushing part, which you must put here, and then you must simply push it with your hand, and when you attach this head on the tube, it will be pushed out and you will be able to seal any surfaces you want. And now to clarify this guy, this is the Harbor Freight US tool reseller company, Braun LED 390 lumen rechargeable light. This is a very solid light. I gave about $33 for it. This has the charging port. Here you can see it charges with USB. Also it has the swivel head, and it moves backward and toward. You can see it. And the head could be adjusted as you want. Here you can see all the markings on it, also the part number. Very bright light when it is charged. So now I will show you it, and you can see. Here you can see it. Camera cannot focus on the light itself. This is the full strength light of it, and here you can see how it lights. See back on the car. Very good little light. The second option is the brightest. This is not so bright, but even very good, and it has this flashlight here. You can see, you can push here or somewhere and use it. When it is charged, it is green, and when it is discharged, it is red. And also very good option, it has the magnetic base here, so you can put here anywhere you work on the iron base, and your two hands will be freely, and you will be able to work very good with your car. By the way, new shifter knob, absolutely new. I will introduce this guy to you in next videos. So very pleased with this item, and I think it will last me, and it will work very good for my future works. Let's put it here. And now guys, I will show you the trunk, how it looks, and how I was able to adjust the main cover of it. Let's go and see.